Hey guys, this is my first ever video. This is open world gaming. I am also known as Dalty. Oh god. Yeah, this is a fireworks special. Yeah, okay. So everybody let lines up. Okay. Fireworks! Fireworks! Okay, now everybody set off their fireworks! Wait, no, not yet. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go on up to this balcony, and we're going to watch the fireworks go crack, 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 crackety crack. Okay, Shaki is our supervisor. Okay. Shaki, say hi. Shaki, say hi.
Oh, hey guys.
Yep, that's Shaki. Now this patriot behind me, unicorn is Sammy. And that other guy that you saw that just died was predated train, and he is a fucking dickhead. Okay, activation.
Dalton, put your gun away.
Sorry, just wait. Okay. Now guys, we might have a problem with the police in a minute. Okay, ready guys? Play. Woo! That is what I call comedy. Okay guys, this has been Open World Gaming, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took us a lot of time for preparation. Hey guys. Oh, we still got fireworks. Woo! Okay, we gotta kill this target. Okay, guys. See you later. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was directed by Shaki. And this was directed by me and Shaki. And I am the producer of this and the great mind behind this. And Samuel, great thanks to Unicorn for actually helping us. And Predated Shane, I'm sorry, but if you did watch this and it's kind of late, man, because you kind of missed out and you kind of being a dick.
Oh, it was an accident, bro.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been Open World Gaming. See you guys later. Goodbye.